Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure of the gear, it's a 20 tooth or 17 tooth, but it's the top of the gear for this car for me. I'm going to do some speed runs, and there is a particular app I do want to use, so let me make sure I get the right one on. Hard for you to see. We're going to reset. Nice and clear. Don't want to wheel. So here we go. Full speed ahead. See what she did. Very good. And we'll check the mileage out. So let's see what we got here. 61 miles per hour. That is not bad. I'm very happy with it. I don't want to go any faster than that. My phone goes back in my pocket. And we just go get some runs before I switch over to the lower tooth gear. And off we go. Let's see if we can get a wheelie out of her. Oh, she does want to skid around. She will lift up in the air. The first time I put the GoPro on the thing here. And we're done for the day.